So hello everyone, welcome back to the series. So in the last video, we explored networking fundamentals and understood why networking is considered the backbone of cybersecurity. So today we are moving to the another exciting and one of the most important modules in cybersecurity, which is Linux. Okay, so let me ask you a question. If you walked into the office of Google, of Amazon, of Meta, or any top cybersecurity company, so which operating system do you think most servers would be running? Windows or Linux? The answer is Linux. That's exactly why almost every ethical hacker and penetration tester or SOC analyst or cybersecurity professional spends a lot of time working with Linux. So what exactly is Linux? So in simple words, Linux is an open source operating system, just like Windows, just like Mac OS, help you use a computer or Linux and does the same. But it's known for being more secure, stable, lightweight, and highly customizable. That's why companies around the world trust Linux to run their servers, cloud platforms, websites, and security infrastructures. So, why do cybersecurity professionals love Linux? Now, here's something that surprises many beginners. People often think they need to become expert programmers before using Linux, but that's not true. So, one of the biggest advantage of Linux is that it already comes with thousands of powerful pre-built tools. So, instead of creating everything from scratch, cybersecurity professionals simply install tool and run it in using a few commands. For example, if you want to check your folder, okay, so you simply type there pwd. If you want to see the files in a directory, so you use ls, and to move between folders, so you use cd, and if you want to create a new folder, so just type mkdir and followed by the folder names. That's it. At, at first, these commands might look different from clicking icons in Windows, but once you practice them regularly, they become faster, easier, and much more powerful. So Linux isn't difficult. It simply requires practice, consistency, and curiosity. So most cybersecurity tools are designed to work on Linux, whether it's Kali Linux, whether it's security scanner, network analysis tools, or penetration testing frameworks, and you will find the Linux is the preferred platform. So this is why professionals across ethical hacking, SOC operations, digital forensics, cloud security, and incident response rely on Linux every day. So it's not just an operating system, it's a workspace where cybersecurity professionals perform most of their tasks. So today, Linux powers a huge part of the internet. Many websites, many cloud platforms, many enterprise servers and data centers, even Android devices are built on Linux. So by learning Linux, you are learning the same environment used by the same of the world's biggest technology companies. So that was a quick overview of our Linux fundamental module. So Linux isn't just another operating system, it's one of the most valuable skills you can have in cybersecurity. And remember, you don't have to memorize hundreds of commands overnight. Start with the basics, practice little every day, and with consistency, Linux will soon become second nature. So in our next video, we will move on to the another exciting module and continue exploring skills every cybersecurity professional needs. And if you want to learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking through life practicals, real world projects, and industry focused training, so join us at SkyStates. The hackers of tomorrow are built by the habits you start today. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. So if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next module. Until then, stay curious and stay secure. Thank you.